Hello, so I'm going to be reviewing the Amazfit Active 2 Premium. It comes in a box, as you can see. So this is a premium version, and it's supposed to be with a leather strap. Now, as part of the package, they give you a few perks because the premium. So unboxing, you just need a regular pen knife to open it. I must say the packaging is really nice. It looks very well made, and it's recyclable, 100% recycled material, saving the planet here. So there's the inner layer, box and box. Open it up, and what you find, that is the watch face with the black leather strap already installed on it. So this measures about 42 millimeters in diameter. So I'll just undo this so that I see the entire face of it, and there's the back end where the heart rate sensor is and the charging docking port. What else do we have in this box? This has, yes, that is a manual user guide. We also have an extra pair of straps in an orange color. Then that is the charging base. And so as part of a commitment to saving the planet, this charging base comes without the USB cable, but this is a regular Type-C cable that fits into it. And it's magnetic. In a minute, I'll show you how it operates. So that's all you get in the box. Two straps when you buy the premium version. You have a charging base and then your user guide. Alright, so both leather straps actually feel very comfortable. Very comfortable to the feel. I can't guarantee if it's genuine leather, but it is leather, some form of leather. And the orange strap is made of silicone. Now to turn this on, the user guide gives you instructions. It says press on the lower button. There are two buttons on the side. So you press and hold the lower button until it lights up. It should display the Amazfit logo or name. Yeah, I just power it up. And so that's how to turn it on. And to connect it to the base, it just snaps into place. It's magnetic and charged via USB-C. Now, first setting is to select your language. So in my case, I just picked English. Next step would be to pair your smartwatch and your smartphone. There's a QR code you can scan. So the smart, you can scan it or just download it straight away. So I've just downloaded and installed on my phone, and then that is it. It shows a watch face. There are multiple faces you can switch between, maybe depending on your mood or what you do it. And it's seamless to navigate. Swipe right to go back, press on the upper button to display your apps, and then they are seamless in moving around. So it's got all the settings there. Swipe left to see your weather, notifications, other health parameters. And so this watch comes loaded with goodies: heart rate sensor, oxygen levels, activity monitoring, and the like, typical of every and any smartwatch. So my verdict is it's an affordable watch loaded with pricey applications, or would I say very good applications for everyday needs. And the connection is seamless via Bluetooth, and it works out very well. So it's highly recommended. Highly recommended as a budget-friendly smartwatch that includes all the perks that you need for everyday running, cycling, walking, hitting the gym and all of those activity needs. Right. So that is it. The Amazfit Active 2.